Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by validating access and basic connectivity. This saves time. First, enter the exact URL and try both HTTP and HTTPS. If that fails, run ping or ENS-lookup to confirm DNS resolution, then check your hosting dashboard for uptime and recent deploys. Once done, open the server logs for the last 30 minutes to find errors. Make sure to note timestamps and any 5XX or 4XX codes, because those tell you where to look next. Now you dig into the middle layer, the server and application. Tail the server and application logs while you reproduce the error. Watch for stack traces, memory errors, or timeouts. Restart the web server and app service to eliminate stale processes and clear any caching layers so configuration changes take effect. Check your database connection string, run a quick query, and confirm migrations applied. Once the app responds locally, test through the load balancer or proxy to ensure routing works. Finish by validating external access and cleanup. You should test the site from another network, a mobile device, and behind the same load balancer to confirm public reachability. If the problem began after a deploy, roll back to the last stable release, then monitor error rates. Make sure DNS TTLs are respected and CDN caches are purged if necessary. If things still fail, gather logs, exact timestamps, request ID, and reproduction steps. Then escalate with that evidence to reduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.